In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the commenting tools, how the workspace is laid out, and how to leave clear, useful feedback using a sticky note. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. Give it a moment to open fully so all the tools load. If you're using Acrobat Pro, you'll have access to the full commenting experience we're focusing on today. It's also a good idea to close any extra documents you don't need, just to keep your workspace clean. Next, open the PDF you want to review in Acrobat Pro. You can go to File, then Open, or simply drag the PDF into the Acrobat window. Once it's open, glance at the file name at the top to confirm you're working in the right document. Commenting doesn't change the underlying text or layout of the PDF, but it's still smart to keep a backup copy if it's an important file. Now look to the left side of the window for the sidebar menu and click All Tools. This is the central hub for everything Acrobat can do. In the list that appears, choose Add Comments. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the list or use the search field at the top to find comments. Click it once, and Acrobat will switch your workspace into commenting mode. You'll see a dedicated commenting toolbar appear across the top of the page, and a panel on the right side of the screen will open to display your comment history. Think of the top toolbar as your toolset and the right-hand panel as your conversation log. The panel shows each comment as a threaded entry, which is helpful for tracking who said what and where, especially in longer documents. If the panel gets in the way, you can collapse and reopen it as needed without losing anything. For general page notes, use the sticky note tool. Click the sticky note icon in the top toolbar, then click anywhere on the page to drop it. A small note marker appears on the PDF, while the right panel opens a text field linked to that exact spot. Type your feedback in the panel so it's easy to read and reference. Keep your notes specific. Mention the page area or nearby text if that helps clarify your point. You can reposition the note marker by dragging it, and you can edit or refine your message anytime. When you're done reviewing, save the PDF as you normally would so the comments stay with the file. And that's it. Launch Acrobat, open your PDF, select Add Comments from all tools, review the toolbar and panel, and use a sticky note to add clear, anchored feedback.